If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Honda CR-V EX in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number K1018.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.